In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Insightly. We'll walk through this process from start to finish so you can quickly get your contact data out of Insightly and into a format you can use in spreadsheets, reports, or other tools. Follow along in your own account if you can, and pause or rewind as needed. First, log into your Insightly account and look at the left-hand sidebar. There you'll see a menu of different sections. Find and click on the option labeled Contacts. This will open your main contacts page where you can see a list of all the contacts stored in your CRM. Once you're on the contacts page, decide which contacts you want to export. If you want to export every contact that's currently visible in the list, go to the top of the list and look for the checkbox in the header row. Click that checkbox, and Insightly will select all of the contacts in the current view. If you only want to export specific people, instead of selecting all, just click the checkbox next to each individual contact you want included in your export. After you've made your selection, look toward the top of the page for the main menu bar. There, you should see an option labeled Export. Go ahead and click on Export. This will open the Insightly Export tool, which gives you a couple of choices for the file format. In the Export tool, you'll be asked whether you want to export to CSV or export to Excel. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a universal format that works with almost any spreadsheet or data tool. Excel format is ideal if you know you'll be opening the file directly in Microsoft Excel and want that familiar experience. Choose the format that best fits how you plan to use your contacts. Once you've decided, click the option you prefer. Insightly will now generate your export file in the background. Instead of downloading it right away in your browser, the system sends you a download link by email. So the next step is to open your email inbox that's associated with your Insightly account. Look for a message from Insightly with a subject line indicating that your contact export is ready. Open that email, click the download link inside, and your contacts file will be downloaded to your computer. From there, you can open it in your spreadsheet program, back it up, or import it into another system as needed.